today I'm going to be telling you about Bugis Street. So come on, let's dive in. Hours pedestrian link to Albert Mall. First, I'm going to show you about the street food. So these are great. They sell drinks. Now for next, I'm gonna show you some trendy options like clothes. Come on, let's go into one of the shops. So the price is $5. So actually, it's quite cheap here. This is like a keychain shop. Mobile tech. Electronic devices and some of these cute card handles. So this is like for the phone. For the phone. The pods. There are a lot of different. This one too, it's cute. This one. For knocking, this is the thing too. This is some cute keychains. Oh my god, I love this. This is cinnamon roll and I love it. Smartwatches. These are more accessories, rings, clothes shop. Not like souvenirs. Let's go check out some souvenirs. These are some souvenirs. Magnets, keychains, rings, and some chocolates. Yum. Bags. There's some cute bags. So this is where you can buy some travel luggage, luggages. The bags here. And then there's some Labubu macarons. They're just showing like that. Yeah, it's cute. Some wallets. It's some nice designs. Things like travel pillows. Brushes. Squishies. The nearest tourist attractions over here are the Sultan Mosque and Bugis Junction. Okay, those I shared about the Sultan Mosque at Arab Street. Please watch that video. And I've also shared about the Bugis Junction. Okay, this is the bag. These are bags. And sometimes you can come in the early morning because it's not too crowded. So souvenirs. This is a mirror. Oh, this is a magnet. And sometimes they sell a mirror souvenirs too. Check out some street food. So come on, let's go. There's some buns, there's strawberry chicken. Look, here's one. Can I want to see? These are like. This is called Queen Cookie. And these are some of the biscuits. So she just now spread the batter around.
Chocolate and marshmallow.
So just now she spread the batter along. Something like this because I chose chocolate and marshmallow. There are also other options. I'm gonna spread the chocolate.
What do you want to try? Chocolate and banana?
beautiful. It's so beautiful. Bugis. Look, so expensive. Customize your phones like this. Or just take the things and ask them. Go up. People go down to shop, but there's also level 2. Here's phones. Okay, so this is for the nail manicure. If you like this vlog, please like, share, and